we'll probably see
What
from
is
how the
up,
Philippines
you
tries to
guys?
defend well
Sa video
around
na ito,
the majority of this
isipapakita ko sa inyo
competition.
kung paano tinalo ng Iraq yung
And of
Philippine
course,
team.
what chances we can
So dito guys ay
conjure
nakuha ng
with
win yung
running
bola at yung
cross-attack.
nakikita nyo dito is sinalubong siya ng left back. So instead na mag 1-2 pa sila dito guys, in ginawa ng wing is pinasa niya doon sa center back. At
Running
kung
cross-attack
makikita nyo
here with
dito
Boy
guys,
Navarre
pagkatapos
Gayoso.
na ipasa
I
is
mean,
bumalik
sometimes
sila
you
sa
just
kanilang
needed that one
posisyon.
moment that will change the
At
match.
dito nga
We
guys
saw
is
it in the
nag-change play
previous match.
sila
It came at the
from center
84th
back
minute.
pinasa sa right back. At nakita agad ng right back na nasa posisyon yung tatlong forward. So dito na
Just
guys,
held on for so
nag-decision
long.
siya na ilong pass
Another
yung
high ball
bola.
played
At
in,
yun nga,
and notice a shift
na-foul
here.
yung Iraqi player sa penalty area.
Yes.
At na-awardan sila
Ah.
dito ng penalty kick.
Neil got a hand to it, but Hussein manages to score anyway. So with that here, the question now is how will the Philippines
They setting up
So dito
a bit
guys,
more
from throw-in,
defensively
pinasa
in the
ito
back
sa
five.
fullback at
But then
then
also
pinasa
now
ng
at front too, as you
fullback ng sa
mentioned, where
center back
Saki
at
Rubico comes in to play that
binalik niya sa fullback. At kung makikita nyo nga dito guys is marong space sa left wing at inoccupy nga ng fullback yung space sa left wing.
two-striker role.
At kung makikita nyo nga dito guys is nagsenyas ng long pass forward dito kay fullback. At dito nyo nga guys makikita yung kahalagahan ng communication sa larong football. Ngunit dito is naagaw ng Philippine team yung bola. Ngunit nabawi ito guys ng Iraqi player. At kung makikita nyo nga dito nyo mapapansin yung laki ng agwat ng skill level ng Iraq at ng Philippine team. Kung mapapansin nyo nga dito guys is bumaba itong si forward ng kaunti para humingi ng bola dito sa kay right wing. At nang hindi siya nakatanggap ng bola is bumalik ito para magbigay ng space sa kay right wing. At dito na nga guys, idrinibol ni right wing yung bola at nakalusot siya dito sa baba. So pansinin niyo dito guys yung apat na depensa ng Philippine team, lahat sila nakatutok sa bola at walang nagmamarka sa tao. So si number 4 dito guys, tama ito siya yung dapat magbigay ng support na sa kay number 5. Ngunit itong si 2 at si 3 sila dapat yung magmamarka sa open man. So dito nga guys is nalibre yung isang player ng Iraqi at nagkaroon niya sa dito ng scoring opportunity. At mapapansin nyo dito guys sa likuran niya may sumusunod na Iraqi player at yun nga nagbigay ng support at nung nasangga ng Philippine team yung bola so siya yung sumalo doon at nakascore sila. So dito guys kung makikita nyo same tactic lang. So from left wing change to right wing yung bola. So from right wing nung hindi sila nakakita ng score ng mapapasahan doon is binalik sa baba yung bola papunta sa keeper at binalik naman ng goalkeeper dito sa may left wing. So dito nga kung mapapansin nyo is may space sa gitna kaya in-equipay ulit ito ng Iraqi player at doon na nga nakita niya na yung nasa advantage position yung dalawang forward kaya nag-long ball pa siya yung Iraqi player at doon na nga sila napapuntos.
Was unable to get that away, and it'll be Neil Etheridge unable to get the save as well as Hussein completes his brace. Now up 3-0 against the Philippines, and what a